Here we're asked to find the equation of this exponential function given the points and asymptotes. So in this one here, really what I start with is I have this exponential function, which I know kind of follows the format y equals a times b to the power of x plus k. And k really represents my horizontal asymptote, which I can tell here is at -2. So I already can find one of my variables that I need to create this equation. So we're good to go here at the y value or the k value of -2. Now I'm going to use these other 2 points to help me by plugging them into the equation and then solving a system. So my first point, I'm plugging in the y value of 7, the x value of 4. Then I'm plugging in the second point, the y value of 1, the x value of 5. Now I can look at this as like a system of equations and solve for a and b, which will give me my equation. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to use substitution, meaning I'm going to find what a is equal to and then plug it into that second equation. So to do that, I'm going to add 2 to both of these, and that will give me, what is that, 9 equals a times b to the power of 4. I'm going to divide both sides by b to the power of 4 so that I can get a by itself, and a is equal to 9 over b to the power of 4. This is good because now I can plug this back in and solve my second equation for b. So I have 1 equals 9 over b to the power of 4 times b to the power of 5 minus 2. When I multiply these two things together, it's really going to be 9 b to the power of 5 over b to the power of 4. And b to the power of 5 over b to the power of 4 simplifies to just b. Now my math becomes pretty simple here. Add 2, divide by 9, and simplify to get my b value of 1/3, which makes sense because when I look at this graph, I see that it's exponential decay. So my b value here is going to be a fraction, or between 0 and 1, which is good. Last thing here is that I have to plug this b value back in to find the a value. So a is equal to 9 over 1 over 3 to the power of 4. It's a little bit messy here, so it's 9 over 1 over 81. And then remember, we're multiplying by the reciprocal when we are dividing a fraction. So it's really just 9 times 81, which I'm going to plug into a calculator so I don't make a mistake here. 9 times 81 is 729. 29. And so my final answer here is y equals 729 times 1/3 to the power of x minus 2, and there's my equation of the graph.